284, like 12.5.
Hey guys, check this out. This is 757.
Wow. Still got a lot of work to do in here.
Oh yeah. We got most of the parts for the back end.
This is in the restoration building.
So can you tell us a little history about it? What's your name again?
Bill Monster.
Yeah. So Bill, can you tell us a little...
Sorry I didn't get up close to that GE locomotive that came through here, but oh well, I'll see it some other time.
This engine worked out of Bellevue here.
Really?
It worked all of its life, mostly westbound. Okay. We also have a caboose out here that's sitting in the coach yard with a cupola on top, nickel plate caboose. That was a Bellevue caboose that worked out of the yard. So when we went and got this up in Pennsylvania, at the Pennsylvania State Railroad Museum, okay,
Near Altoona?
we brought that back. You guys remember that story?
Yeah, I heard about it.
Okay.
I didn't much care about it at first, but...
Anyway, we took the caboose and took it up there and hooked it onto this,
Yeah,
and then a big diesel, Norfolk Southern diesel, pulled it back. We got it back here in our coach yard on St. Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So yeah, this was an engine that worked out of Bellevue, and we wanted it back. When the
Yeah, because it was...
NKP was done with steam, it was offered to Bellevue, the town of Bellevue, to keep as a static display, and City Council decided they didn't want it. It was going to be too expensive. So the Pennsylvania State Museum was starting their museum up, I think in 64, somewhere in the early 60s. And that was their first I can't say it.
Accusation?
Not accusation. Acquisition. This was the first display that they had. It was sat outside up there for 50 years.
Yeah, it looked awful.
Yeah. They did restore it up there one time. The Friends of the Reading painted this all up there at one point, but then it got, out the weather again and started deteriorating a little bit. Actually, the tender is in real good shape.
Yeah.
The engine needs a lot of cosmetic work on it. But I think we have most of the equipment that's going to go on here, the hardware that's going to go on here, I think we found most of it. So
Awesome.
that'll be cool. So
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, if you're thinking it's gonna operate, no, it's not.
it's not going to operate. Not when we have it. Now that's a stoker system, guys. They didn't have to shovel.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
It's hooking right up into here,
Oh really? It
into
is?
the firebox.
So it's like a screw and it moves it all up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that when I was in Cabo.
Is that standard with Berkshires?
Yeah,
And
that
the
was
later ones, yeah.
The later
yeah,
ones?
really cool. So what's this for?
That opened the door up.
Oh,
It was air,
that's cool.
so they always had to check in there.
So what year was
anyway.
this thing retired? Like 1950?
60. No, excuse me. Let's back that up. It was, I think, 57 or 58.
Yeah, 1958, 59.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Here's the throttle, guys.
Yeah.
So where's the whistle? Where would it be?
Right in here.
Yeah. That's really cool. And yeah, you can tell us
It's
a
a
little.
brake system.
That's cool.
There's your Sanders here.
Oh, even steam engines had Sanders?
Oh, heck yeah.
Really?
They get wheel slippage.
Oh yeah.
So the sand would go in front of the wheels
Yeah.
and make adhesion.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw
Gripping.
1225 wheel slip once
Yeah.
in Ashley when I chased it.
These were your independent and terrain brakes here.
So,
Like the diesel.
Yeah, so can you tell us a little about 765 as well?
I don't think they would know about it. I mean, that's in a whole
765 came through Bellevue in November of '79.
Oh wow. On its first excursion?
They were just going to work on it, but they didn't have a place to keep it yet. So they got a hold of a factory in Sandusky, Ohio called Bar Rubber, and they agreed to let them keep it inside because it's a huge factory. And it came out of Fort Wayne down through Bellevue and all the way up to Sandusky, and I filmed the whole thing.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
At my house. Oh.
you can show us next.
I gotta find it first. I can't find it.
What's the story behind that United States switcher? I think that's pretty cool too.
If I ever find it,
I see rod
I'm
bars.
gonna do a show with it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I wonder if 76.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
See, it's got bars on it.
Where's that one at? You know?
Lima.
What about it?
It's the last steam locomotive ever built by Lima.
Yeah, I don't know much about it.
Okay.
Other than there's only six Berkeys left, and there's two that run 765 and the
1225.
1225.
Really?
And
Up
soon to be
us.
2716.
Yeah,
I didn't know
So what's
that.
this?
there's done one at Sugar Creek they're working on.
Yeah. 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 Is that